Hi guys, today I'm going to open my 2 new Gravedigger monster trucks.
Which one are you going to open first?
This one.
All right. He's a cool looking green.
He's got a ramp with him.
He don't glow in the dark or anything, does he?
I don't know.
I don't think so. I think it would say glow in the dark on it.
This is. Oh, it's more monster trucks.
All the monster trucks you need in your collection.
And also...
Wait, you flip... Oh, yeah. Let's see. Who is that?
Some doggy.
Monster Mutt. Flip it back over. We also... Is this the one we're opening? No, that's the shark one. I just seen white and thought it was this one. Okay.
That's the one we're opening now.
Yeah. I was just thinking it was that one. All right. He's got a ramp. That's pretty cool. Open the other one.
This one's harder to open.
They don't have a ramp.
No, but let's see what picture his has.
He's cool looking.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what picture is this one got?
So on this side.
Different monster trucks. That's the one we got. Or you got.
On this side.
You have to hold it where I can see it. There we go. Put it that way. Doo-doo.
This one looks like a drag car because it's got like a little wheel in the back.
Oh, like the little, what do they call them?
Oh, you can take it off.
So is it called a wheelie bar? Yeah, it's a wheelie bar.
You can take it off
Wheelie bar.
and put it back on.
That's cool. Put the wheelie bar on. Let's see, what does it do?
I'll put the ramp over down here. I'm going to push it with the wheelie bar, and I want to see if he can hit the ramp.
Oh.
And guys, I also discovered that you can put it on separate monster trucks. So I can put it on this one too.
Let's make that one do a wheelie. Oh. Here, move the ramp out of the way. Try it now. Right here. Be easier. Go downhill. Oh.
Guys, now I'm going to try to push it on one wheel. On the little bitty wheel. Oh. Just went back on. Look at that.
Kinetic
And it like
Sand.
stayed in a block. I'll drop. It stinks.
Stinks. It's
Yep.
Kinetic
I'm
Sand.
gonna drop it. And
Oh.
I'm gonna try to make a ramp for these monster trucks. So I can do this.
Nope. We headbutted.
This is gonna be difficult.
You need this ramp.
Wait.
Is that gonna work?
I'll take off the wheelie bar. And get on top of now the dragon one. I got an idea. Take this. Put it right here. Take this and put it right here. And now it's like a Monster Jam like backflip thing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Shadow.
I'm gonna bury it.
Shadow says, what are y'all doing? Let me play monster trucks too.
Flipped. I try to make like, got an idea. Now they're all stacked. Okay, now I got an idea. Knock it down. Oh, strong.
Oh, there it went.
A little hard this time. Thanks for playing Monster Trucks with me. See you on the next one. Bye.